Fellas feel the soul when the beat gets cracking. Ladies, let them know it's deeper than rapping. G&E, making it happen. Keep on keeping on, growing and adapting. Speaking on being someone fashioned out of righteous ideas, now I'm laughing. Me and E would get a bottle of yak, bottoms up, toss it back. I don't miss that no more. Oh no, I'm sure, full of mojo, blow your wig back with force. You under dig, live with no remorse. This is the knock, I'm an open door. With many hallways, M-A-N-Y. I miss long days, they were a friend of mine. But in time, I sense time. Better for the metaphor tenfold. Dinosaur giant but gentle. In my skin, bro, I am your kinfolk. It ain't the end of nothing when you wield your weapon. What's next is simple.
The goal is to inspire one to stay steady on the path, even when it becomes heavy and hard to bear. Let no man take your dream away. Keep knocking till the gate swings open wide.
We've been knocking the knock all out. When they gon' answer back and get down, down to the heart, center of the road. Need all of you to speak your truth. We've been knocking the knock all out. When they gon' answer back and get down, down to the heart, center of the road. Need all of you to speak your truth. If you knock up on my door, I'm gon' answer.
Hello, 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 hello.
If you knock up on my door, I'm gon' answer.
Hello, 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 hello.
We've been knocking for a long time, rocking with the raw rhymes, knuckles to the bone, bleeding outlines. An outlaw with alkaline intentions, not an asinine. Acting my Shakespeare, break fear, make it clear. Staking high, passion as it burns but never run out. I shoot my shit but never see no gun out. I loop the heat and always have the sun out. I make my points to action, catch the run off. It's worth the sip, I'm done now with that line, not quite the end, I'm in the fun now. The one zone, been here since a teen. My writing never stops, I'm in the scene. I'm on the green greener grass has never quit. I'm on an odyssey of spit, turn to gold.